Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the Wi-Fi password on your Xiaomi Mi 4A router. To do this you need to go to the Wi-Fi settings on any of your gadgets. I'm showing you this on the desktop, but the same thing works on mobile. So connect your gadget to your Xiaomi router's network and go to any web browser, and in the search bar type the following IP address: 192.168.31.1. You don't need this slash here. Hit on enter, and this is the default gateway of your router. It takes you to the login page. You have to enter your admin password here. And if you don't remember your password, the only way to restore it is reset your router to the factory defaults. Yes, now you are on the home screen, and from this screen you can set your 2.4G or 5G name and password. Let's set 5G. So I can rename my network here. I can change password here. And I can change the encryption time, whatever it means. If you don't know what is this, I don't recommend you to change the encryption time. You can hide this network, by the way, and a couple of more different settings which are not the topic of this video for now. Once you're okay with your new name and new password, click on save, and this operation will reboot the Wi-Fi, and all devices in this Wi-Fi will be temporarily disconnected. You have to agree to this to make any changes to your life. And a couple of more words about the password changing. You can't use, for now you cannot use the application for Android and iOS because it hasn't been updated for a long time and not supported by new devices. And they have actually they have a Chinese version. It's working, but it's in Chinese. So if it's okay for you, you can use the Mi Wi-Fi application. You can download this application, scanning this QR code in your user manual. Now you're all set, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and hit the like button. Be awesome. Bye, guys.